Good morning, everyone. I am Mary Nunez Salvio, and I'm going to report about Criterion Reference Grading System. Object Objectives: to define Criterion Reference Assessment, to distinguish between Criterion Reference Assessment from Norm Reference Assessment, to describe how a rubric can be developed to present assessment criteria and performance standard to students. Objectives: to explain the advantage and disadvantage of using Criterion reference grading system, to avoid representative examples of how Criterion reference tests and scores may be used. Criterion reference test, another common type of grading system, measures how individual students to relative to predetermined performance levels. Teacher use Criterion reference tests when they want to determine how well each has learned specific knowledge or skills. So this is the example of Criterion reference assessment makes judgment about performance rather than on people. What matters is what students learn and not the student position in some ranking of relative merit. Criterion reference assessment is carried out against previously specified yardstick criteria where a grade is assigned. It is assigned on the basis of performance standard if the student has achieved on each criteria. Criterion reference assessment is carried out against previously specified yardstick criteria where a grade is assigned. It is assigned on the basis of the performance standard and the student has achieved on each of the criteria. So the criteria, dimension along which it should judge how well a student has carried out task yardstick. Performance standards are the actual levels which might be achieved by students against the criteria. So to help the students performance standard, we will write down some ideas as what are minimum level of performance to be met. That's all I today. Assessment criteria, a rubric can be developed to present assessment criteria and performance standards to the student. So this is the rubrics. Is money siyang rubric, also called as scoring matrix, very useful device to presenting criterion. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.